Hello and welcome to Bert's Imperfect Bakes, the channel where it's okay to not bake perfectly every time. I'm Bert and this week I'm going to be recording 2 Easter specials because I like spring flavours of lemon and also the obvious chocolate for Easter. So part 1 will be some lemon cupcakes and part 2, well, wait and see. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees fan. And I've listed all my ingredients in the description below, but to start we have some eggs, and I'm going to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks, like so. And then after you've washed your hands, get the sugar and pop it into the bowl with the egg yolks, and then get your whizzy electric whisk and start whisking. Add your oil, give that a good whisk until it's all combined. And then now, safety first, unplug the whisk and then extract the actual whisk attachments. Get some vanilla and add that to the bowl. That's me showing husband how I've used all his vanilla. Expensive vanilla, mind. Now get some flour and sieve that into the egg yolky mix. Smush those last bits in. Put everything you don't need to one side. Then fold in nicely with a metal spoon. Then safety first, put the whisk attachments onto the whisk and plug it in. And then get the egg whites that you left to one side earlier, give those a whisk till they're nice and stiff, like so, and unplug the attachment before removing the whisk attachment. Now we need to add half of the egg white mix into the egg yolk mix and fold in just to loosen it up slightly. Now I've not made these before and it did look quite an oily mixture, not gonna lie. Once that's all in, add the rest. Get everything all homogeneous. And magically clear everything away. Get a tray and fill it with some cupcake cases. And now put in blobs of your cake batter into each cupcake case. But only 1 tablespoonful to start with. And then produce some lemon curd from thin air and put a tiny blob in each cupcake case. Put it in the centre if you can. This was a complete experiment, by the way. I had no idea how it would turn out, but thought we'll give it a go anyway. See what happens. Get the rest of the mixture and cover your little lemon blobs with batter. And then smooth the tops of each one out so they're all nice and flat. It's an art putting this batter into these cupcake cases, you know. A lot goes into it. Once they're all done, pop them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And then when they come out, pop a skewer inside and see if it comes out clean. And then extract each cupcake onto a cooling rack. These were dripping with oil. As you can see, it's left in the tray. While they're cooling, get some white chocolate and melt that over a pan of simmering water. Ta-da! Magic. Now for the decoration. You need some Rice Krispies, some chocolate eggs and white chocolate. Pop your Rice Krispies into the white chocolate and give that a good stir. Coat every single Rice Krispie. And now create some little nests on top of each cupcake. This is a very messy, time-consuming job, just FYI. pop an egg on the top of each one. So it's like a bird has laid it. Oh, cheeky husband there, stealing my eggs. And then watch this bit. Oh, there's an egg gone. Just pop it back on. And then add some reinforcements. There's a random lemon from husband. No idea why. Then once they're all done, I found I had some Rice Krispie mix left over. So, ta-da! Oh, there's another Bert there. So I filled some other cupcake cases just with the mix and added some eggs on top. Nothing like a good old-fashioned Rice Krispie cake. I had enough spare mixture to make 2. Add a couple of eggs. Beautiful. Look at that. Nicely decorated cakes and a lemon. These are all nicely decorated. These cute Easter cupcakes with little nests on top. I'm going to have a go at trying one because I have a feeling they might taste like lemon Yorkshire puddings with the amount of oil that went in there. But I'll only have a quarter because I'm still on a diet and I've lost half a stone in 3 weeks. Oh look, lemon in the middle. I mean, I know it's there, it's not a surprise. I put it there. I wasn't sure what had happened to it.
What, it just vanished? It's gone.
Potentially. So okay, so we go, eh? Oh. You can definitely taste the oil. I think next time I'd either reduce the oil down or use butter instead because it's very greasy. But good. And the lemon is a nice touch. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any suggestions that you might like me to make, then put them in the comments below. See you next time.